Hello my friends, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create MySQL database in your cPanel area, because as you know, for installing every content management system or CMS, in first steps of installing you need to have your username and password of your database for continuing installation, and also you should give some privileges to your users for editing or accessing some options to your database. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create database, MySQL database in cPanel in two ways, one of them manually and the second one by wizard. Okay guys, let's consider the first way of creating MySQL database in your cPanel manually. As you should know, every content management system needs a database with a privileged user. So here, after logging to your cPanel, in database section you can go to MySQL databases and create a new one. Here you should insert the name of your database. As you can see, my database name starts with WebishME. Maybe your database in your cPanel starts with another thing else. So better is we select a name for our database. I choose DB test. Okay, and press create database. It's created. You should pay attention that our database name is WebishME underline DB test. Okay, but in second step we should add a user to this database. Okay, go down here, MySQL users. We are going to add a new user. I select a name for my user, for example user1. Okay, and also a string password for it. I can use this password generator. I have copied this password in a safe place. Use this password. Okay, as you can see here, its string is very strong, and press create user. Our user WebishME underline user1 is created too. In third step we should add this user with its privileges to our database. Here we can add user to our database. Our user that we have created now is WebishME user1, and I should select the database that I want to add it to it. Okay, DB test. My database is WebishME underline DB test, and I press add, adding user to database. Now I give to this user all privileges for creating tables, for dropping tables, or inserting queries in MySQL, and press make change. You should pay attention that in most of content management system or CMSs, you need to give your user all privileges. Okay, make change and go back. Now we have created a MySQL database with a user, and we added this user to this database with its needed privileges. Okay, as you can see here, in current databases, my database is WebishME_DB test, and its user is privileged user is WebishME_user1. I have made it manually. Okay, but in second solution, we can create a MySQL database by Wizard. How can we do it? In cPanel area, go to database section again. This is for manually, and MySQL database Wizard. For making your database by Wizard, you should select this option, and here we create a database and insert its name. It's easier than previous way. I select a name for my database, for example DB2. Okay, next step asks about database user. I can select a name for my user like user2, and also its password by password generator. Use this password, create user, and give to this user all privileges. Make change. Okay, as you can see, it's done, and you could create your database in two ways, one of them manually and the second one by Wizard. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Just remember, for supporting me and my channel, subscribe my channel and help me with your likes and comments. Thank you.